Hi guys, this is me Shristi and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel Shristi Style. So here I am again with yet another video. So guys, if you're new to this channel, my channel, so just don't forget to subscribe it. Hit the bell icon so that you get all the daily updates and whenever I post a new video you will get the notification. Also just give me a big thumbs up if you're liking my videos. So guys, my today video is very interesting and very special because we all love shopping. We enjoy shopping, right? But are we shopping smartly? Yeah, this is a question, but don't worry. Today I will be sharing 5 smart tips with you so that you can shop mindfully and that will slow down your shopping. So you will get the answer of this question in this video itself. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. My first tip is very important, right? And my first tip is make a priority list what to buy, right? So that means whenever you go for shopping, whether it's street shopping, whether you're going to a mall, any store, anywhere, just make a list wherever you go before stepping out of your house that what to buy, right? Because in markets there are so many attractive things, we just don't realize it and we ended up buying something which is not in our list and which is not required as of now, and we miss the thing which we actually want. We later realize, okay, the thing that I wanted is nowhere. Right? So always make a list and stick to that. My second tip is that ask yourself, do I really need this? Whenever you go out for buying something, whenever you like something and you want to buy, just ask whether do I really need this? I mean, because it happened with you, it happened with me. Let's say we buy a particular top, right? And we later realize we don't have a denim or a skirt to pair this particular top with, right? So we again go to the market and buy something else, right? So it's better we realize, do I really need this particular thing at this time, right? And always prefer quality over quantity. Don't go with the counts, go with the quality and good stuff. So just ask yourself next time you go out, you like something, ask yourself, do I really need this? And if you say yes, go ahead. My third tip is make a rule, get one in, take one out. So basically, this means whenever you get something, any cloth, always make a rule, take one out of your wardrobe. Right? This is really important because we have so many clothes. We all must have so many clothes which we never wear, which we have not wear for so many years, maybe the couple of months. That means we really don't like it or we don't want to wear it. So just don't make a mess for you, right? Just always get one clothes, take one out, and just don't throw it, please. There are so many needy people out there, so just give them. We have, I mean, so many charity boxes in offices, colleges, schools for NGO children's, NGO. I mean, I don't want to tell you and go into the details because you all know that how can we help. So just make a rule, get one in and take one out, and just don't throw it. Okay, guys, my fourth tip is invest in basics. Right, so basics as in a white tee, a white kurti, as I showed you in my last formal versus casual look. I use the same white tee in a multiple ways and same for the white kurti. So basically just think the cloth or item which you can use in a multiple ways. The basic as in the one thing which you can use and style in a multiple ways. So whenever you go out for shopping, just ask yourself, just visualize, can I use this in 3 ways, 4 ways or multiple ways? And at least you should think that 3 ways. If you cannot style the same tee or denim and something in a 3 ways, then you should not buy it. Invest in basics, basically invest in an item which you can use in a multiple ways, right? So you don't have to spend or buy so much, but you can use and style the same clothes in a different way. So which we are looking for slow down shopping. My fifth tip is the last but not the least at all. Okay, so my last tip is invest in accessories. So accessories is not always a jewelry we wear. It's basically, it can be a headband, it can be a belt, it can be a shoes, it can be a multicolored dupatta, it can be the handbags even, right? So basically accessories are something which can just enhance your look, which can just top up your look, your complete attire, which just like a multicolored dupatta which I showed you in my last videos. It's simple white or black kurti, and if you use a lehariya dupatta, Jaipuri dupatta, it just brighten up your look, right? One necklace can enhance your look in a way that you don't need anything else, right? So invest in accessories more, the good accessories, so that you can just style your personality, style your complete attire, and you don't need to spend a lot in clothing, right? So just spend in accessories. My today's video, these are the 5 tips which I wanted to share with you all, and I really hope that you enjoy it and liking it. Please just let me know which tip you like the most, and if you want a video on the basics and different accessories styles, just let me know. I would love to make videos on that. And just don't forget to, I'm just saying again, don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit a bell icon so that you can get all the video updates whenever I post a new video. Also follow me on Instagram, because sometimes it's very not easy to post everything on YouTube, which takes time, but Instagram is really handy and quick, right? So just follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Mishra Strish. And till then, bye bye, take care, love to you all.